Hi everyone. Bright evening, Sir John Paul. My name is Eric Infanta, a first year student from the University of Negros. As part of our requirement in purposive communication, I need to reach to someone who speaks different language than I do and ask him or her to translate 25 Hiligaynon phrases into their own language via video call. By the way, thank you for having me this time. But before anything else, can you please introduce yourself first, including the name of the language or the dialect that you are going to use?
Good evening as well, Mr. Eric. So, I'm John Paul Rio, student of Jersey, and I'm a fourth year student under the Bachelor of Elementary Education. And our university, um, we are being recognized as practice teachers, and my dialects that I'm using are English, Tagalog, and Kapampangan.
Okay, sir. So, the first Hiligaynon phrase here is kamusta ka?
Okay, kamusta ka in Kapampangan is kumusta ka. Kumusta ka.
Kumusta ka? The second one is salamat gid or thank you very much.
Okay, salamat in Kapampangan is dakala salamat.
Okay. The third one is gusto ko ini. I like this.
I like this in Kapampangan is Burikain.
Buri what? Burikin?
Wait, can you please repeat it?
Okay, go. So, what is gusto ko ini in Kapampangan or I like this?
Okay, I like this in Kapampangan is Burikain.
Mm. The fourth is diin ka na or where are you?
Where are you in Kapampangan is no pa rin ka.
Mm. The next is wala problem or no problem.
No problem in Kapampangan is alang problema.
Mm. Next is excuse me, ilang edad mo or how old are you?
How old are you in Kapampangan is ilan na ka?
Mm. Next is Qatar, let's go.
Let's go in Kapampangan is tara na.
Next is palihog ko or please.
Please in Kapampangan is simply please.
Simply
Or
please.
sige na.
Sige na, okay. Next is daw kapoy ko. It feels tiring. Parang ganun. Oo.
That phrase in Kapampangan is wait lang, boso mo na.
Okay, so daw kapoy ko in Kapampangan.
Mapagal ko.
Mapagal ko. Next one is padayon lang ta or just keep going. Let's just keep going.
Just keep going in Kapampangan. Sige mo.
Okay. Then subong lang ini. This is just by now.
What?
Subong lang ini. Parang ngayon lang to. Gibuhat ko tanan. I did everything.
I did everything in Kapampangan. Gawa ko in ganyan.
Masalig ko sa imo. I trust you.
No,
Okay. Go. I trust you. I trust you.
Okay. Trust ko pang magtiwala ako dito.
The next one is kabay pa nga maayo. I hope it's good. Parang ganun.
Okay. Sana
Kabay pa maayo. I hope it's good.
I hope it's good in kapang is sana masaling niyo o sana okay.
Okay. Next is ginulata ka. I wait for you.
I know you is in kapang panayan ka.
The next one is pasensya gid ha or I'm very sorry.
So kapang is pasensya na ka.
Next is diin ka halin or where have you been?
Can you repeat?
Diin ka halin or where have you been?
Where have you been kapang is no ka rin ka pabatan.
Okay, so may aragid or there is something.
There is something.
Opo.
There is something in compounds. Andain.
Okay. Next is maghalong dira or please be safe or keep safe.
Safe.
Safe. Keep safe. Parang ganun.
Ito.
Paghalong or keep safe. What is it?
Keep safe compound is mimingat ka.
Miningat ka. Okay, next one is abi ko ikaw. I thought it was you. Abi ko ikaw. I thought it was you. Okay, next is maalam ka kid. You're smart. Maalam ka gid or you're smart.
You're smart in mind. Is matalino ka.
Ano po? Pakiulit.
Matalino ka. Ikaya ka Tagalog.
Okay, next is pauta lang anay. Just wait for a while.
Just wait for a while.
Hintayin mo muna, parang ganun.
Okay. Just wait for a while in kapampangan is anaya lang sa
Okay, next is daw nami ni daw nami ni it is good. It looks good. Parang ganun. Daw nami ni it looks good. Parang ganun.
Okay. It looks good in kapampangan is mayapya.
Mayapya. Next is hindi ko na kaya. Parang hindi ko na kaya. Parang hindi ko na kaya or parang hindi ko na kaya in Tagalog.
Hindi ko kaya in is kaya ko na agyo.
Ano po? Kilakasan.
Kaya ko na agyo.
Next is, the last one is, basi makaya ta. Baka makaya natin, parang ganon.
Baka makuha natin. Baka makaya natin ang Kapampangan is baka agyo tamoy.
Thank you very much po. Thank you for helping me doing this activity. Take care and bless you. Bye.
Okay.